Today we're going to Kmart to buy a drone. Let's go. Let's get this one. I know the rules. Kmart does it again. Drone with camera on it. Supposedly works. Let's pay for it and see if it works. I've never had a butter chicken pie, but this is heavenly. That pie was so good that I bought another one.
Fatso.
Alright. Let's open this thing. Alright, so we have the manual, the charger, and landing gear. Now the main drone we can cut open. There we go. That's the drone. With its little camera. It's not bad, isn't it? We can cut out the controller. We can get the phone now out. Alright, they're attached. Now we can attach the landing parts for the drone. And then the feet are now attached. Now we can charge it. Okay, so for this next bit, I have to download this app from this QR code up here. Alright, we've just got the app ready now. Now all we have to do is wait for the drone to charge and test it out. And one more thing we need to do actually is put batteries in the remote. Now we're ready. Alright, the drone's fully charged and honestly, I think this looks sick. Let's go test it. Alright, the drone's ready. Let's switch to the onboard camera.
If a boy had a chance with someone like you, are you gonna break his heart? Let him cry for the moon.
So far, this thing is incredible. It's almost silent. Well, it's not almost silent, but it's very quiet. It flies incredible. The quality isn't the best, but I'm very happy with it. So I will admit that drone is a lot of fun, but the camera quality isn't the greatest in the world. But next, we're going to be flying it at the lookout and getting some really good bird's eye view footage of the beach. And I'm probably going to be digitally enhancing that footage so it's more viewable to watch. That is beautiful. So, the final verdict. I definitely reckon this is a great drone for $50. It has no right to fly that well in the wind. It was as stable as anything. The camera shoots in 720p. It's viewable, it's just a bit inconsistent with the quality. But overall, I really think this is a good drone. I know it's from Kmart, but I guess Kmart has done it again. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. We just hit 500, which is a huge milestone. Thank you. And we're halfway to 1,000. So if we make it to 1,000, I've got big plans. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Roll the outro. That'll do.